Oh, 이런 씨. Do you want to learn Korean? Well, I'm a brand new Korean instructor. And by brand new, I mean I'm still striving to be a Korean instructor. In order to get good at what I'm doing, I am trying to get experience in it first. So that is what I'm doing. I am offering a free Korean language course in the summer. So in order for me to gain experience, I decided to come up with a plan and make a whole entire course for the Korean language in the summer of 2025. This is gonna go on from June to August, and registration will only go on until June 9th. Not just that, but I am only accepting 15 students. The only reason why it's 15 students is because I am not confident enough to handle that many students yet since I am brand new. This will be a first come first serve basis, and there will be a wait list just in case something does happen. And I swear this isn't a scam. I know it sounds like a scam. Oh, free? There's no way this is free. There's a reason why I'm doing this. This is so that I can gain experience, and I am testing out like a new form of class conduction. So basically, I am more used to one-on-one tutoring, and as well as maybe like several groups, 1 or 2 or 3 people at a time. I do have other Korean language services right here on the Korean section of my website. This is specifically for people who only want one-on-one services, such as like tutoring. If you are interested in trying to reach out to other peers or trying to connect with us personally, then I would suggest also joining the Discord server I have built up. This Discord server is mainly for my students that I am teaching on a regular basis, which is not that many, and for people who are going to be joining this summer event that I am trying to make. But this is an actual class that goes on for like seasons. So this is the summer that I'm going to be trying it firsthand. In the future, I hope to make it into like a fall quarter, winter quarter, spring quarter. The target is for beginner to lower intermediate level Korean learners. So if you think that's you, 한번 와보세요. 제가 간단한 한국어를 가르쳐 드릴게요. 들어주셔서 감사합니다.